For many travelers, Latvia begins in Riga. Its magnificent Art Nouveau architecture, lively squares, and historic old town have made the capital one of the Baltic region's most admired cities. But beyond Riga lies a country of ancient forests, medieval castles, peaceful coastlines, and hidden river valleys that many visitors never experience. This is a journey beyond the familiar. Across sandstone cliffs, quiet national parks, charming historic towns, and windswept Baltic shores, Latvia reveals one of Northern Europe's most underrated landscapes. Every destination offers another glimpse into a country where history and nature remain beautifully connected. Our journey begins in Gauja National Park, Latvia's largest and oldest protected landscape. Dense forests, winding rivers, and towering sandstone cliffs create one of the country's most spectacular natural environments. Every bend in the valley reveals another breathtaking view. The Gauja River quietly winds through broad forests where colorful cliffs rise above the surrounding woodland. Walking trails follow peaceful ridgelines while hidden caves and rock formations emerge beneath ancient pine trees. Nature dominates every direction. Morning mist drifts gently across the valley while the first sunlight reaches the sandstone cliffs overlooking the river below. Birds glide above the forests as calm waters reflect the surrounding landscape. Every sunrise transforms the valley into something unforgettable. Leaving the national park behind, the journey arrives in Sigulda, often called the adventure capital of Latvia. Surrounded by forests and dramatic river scenery, the town overlooks some of the country's most beautiful landscapes. The atmosphere feels wonderfully peaceful. Historic castles stand proudly above the Gauja Valley where panoramic viewpoints stretch across endless forests and winding rivers. Scenic walking paths connect medieval ruins, suspension bridges, and peaceful woodland trails. Every viewpoint captures another remarkable panorama. A short distance away rises the magnificent Turaida Castle, one of Latvia's most recognizable landmarks. Its distinctive red brick towers have watched over the Gauja Valley for centuries while preserving one of the country's richest historical legacies. History remains wonderfully alive. Ancient stone walls surround quiet courtyards where panoramic terraces overlook forests stretching toward distant hills. Every tower reveals sweeping views across one of Latvia's most picturesque landscapes. The timeless setting feels almost untouched. Leaving the valley behind, the journey heads northwest toward the remote Baltic coastline. The forests gradually open to reveal endless beaches, rolling dunes, and rugged coastal scenery shaped by powerful northern winds. Another side of Latvia begins to emerge. Cape Kolka marks the remarkable meeting point of the Gulf of Riga and the open Baltic Sea. Waves from two great bodies of water meet along a wild coastline where windswept beaches stretch endlessly beneath enormous skies. The landscape feels wonderfully untamed. Tall pine forests reach almost to the shoreline while wooden paths weave through coastal dunes toward quiet beaches scattered with smooth stones and driftwood. The sound of the sea accompanies every step. Every kilometer reveals another peaceful coastal view. As afternoon sunlight spreads across the Baltic coast, golden beaches, ancient forests, and endless blue water combine to create one of Latvia's most breathtaking natural landscapes. The country's quiet beauty becomes impossible to overlook. Every horizon invites further exploration. From sandstone river valleys and medieval castles to windswept coastlines and peaceful forests, every destination reveals another side of Latvia that many travelers never discover. Together, they show that the country's greatest treasures extend far beyond Riga. And the journey has only just begun. Beyond the forests and sandstone valleys of central Latvia, the landscape unfolds into peaceful medieval towns, mystical wetlands, and sweeping Baltic coastlines that remain largely undiscovered by international travelers. Every region uncovers another remarkable surprise. The farther the journey continues, the more extraordinary Latvia becomes. Our next destination is Kuldīga, one of Latvia's most charming historic towns. Cobbled streets, beautifully preserved wooden buildings, and elegant bridges create a timeless atmosphere that reflects centuries of Baltic history. Every corner invites quiet exploration. Flowing through the heart of the town is Venta Rapid, Europe's widest natural waterfall. Although gentle in height, the broad cascade stretches gracefully across the river, creating one of Latvia's most distinctive natural landmarks. The surrounding scenery is wonderfully peaceful. Leaving Kuldīga behind, the journey heads east toward the remarkable wetlands of Ķemeri National Park. Vast bogs, quiet lakes, pine forests, and wooden boardwalks create one of Latvia's most unique natural landscapes. The silence becomes part of the experience. Wooden walkways cross colorful peat bogs where still pools reflect the endless sky beneath drifting clouds. Ancient pines rise from the wetlands while morning mist lingers above the moss-covered landscape. Every step reveals another breathtaking scene. Traveling north, the journey reaches Cēsis, one of Latvia's oldest and most beautiful medieval towns. Narrow streets, historic churches, and impressive castle ruins reveal a rich heritage preserved through the centuries. History feels wonderfully alive. The medieval castle rises proudly above peaceful gardens where ancient stone walls overlook the surrounding town. Church towers, colorful rooftops, and quiet market squares create one of the country's most picturesque historic settings. Every viewpoint captures another unforgettable panorama. Leaving the forests behind, the road gradually returns toward the Baltic coastline. Endless sandy beaches, towering dunes, and refreshing sea breezes introduce another side of Latvia's natural beauty. The scenery constantly changes with the shifting light. The coastal city of Liepāja combines historic architecture with one of the Baltic's most beautiful beaches. Wide stretches of golden sand meet gently rolling waves while elegant wooden villas overlook tree-lined streets leading toward the sea. The relaxed atmosphere feels distinctly coastal. Wooden piers extend into calm water where seabirds drift above the shoreline beneath broad Nordic skies. Gentle winds shape the dunes while colorful sunsets bathe the coastline in warm golden light. Every evening creates another unforgettable view. Across Latvia, forests, rivers, castles, wetlands, and coastlines remain closely connected within a remarkably compact country. Traveling only a short distance often reveals an entirely different landscape, making every stage of the journey feel wonderfully diverse. Every kilometer offers another discovery. Traditional villages, welcoming guest houses, and local artisans continue preserving customs shaped by generations living close to nature. Regional crafts, seasonal festivals, and Baltic traditions remain deeply connected to everyday life. Authentic experiences are found everywhere. Throughout the year, Latvia's landscapes transform with the changing seasons. Spring awakens forests and wetlands, summer fills the beaches with golden light, autumn colors blanket the woodlands, and winter quietly covers the countryside beneath fresh snow. Every season reveals another side of the country. Every destination reveals another unexpected side of Latvia. Medieval castles lead toward quiet bogs, ancient forests give way to endless beaches, and peaceful villages preserve traditions that have endured for centuries. The country continually rewards those willing to explore beyond its capital. Traveling beyond Riga transforms the way many people experience Latvia. Instead of discovering only one vibrant city, visitors uncover a nation of pristine nature, remarkable history, hidden coastlines, and peaceful landscapes that remain refreshingly uncrowded. These are the places that leave lasting memories. This is the Latvia that rewards curiosity. It is a country where sandstone valleys, Baltic beaches, medieval towns, ancient forests, and timeless traditions continue to flourish beyond the familiar tourist trail. Every journey uncovers another unforgettable destination. Perhaps Latvia's greatest treasure is not found within the streets of its famous capital at all. It is the extraordinary collection of hidden valleys, peaceful forests, medieval castles, untouched coastlines, and welcoming communities that together reveal one of Northern Europe's most captivating hidden gems. Beyond Riga lies a Latvia that is tranquil, authentic, and truly unforgettable.